I'm Maria Wooden and I'm in the Russian Language and Culture program. Overall, I had a really good experience. I really like how different classes are structured here than anything I've had at university, with having 4-hour classes every day. That allowed for a lot to be learned, and I was able to spend a lot of time learning Russian. Not only was I learning more grammar and vocab, but I was learning about history and culture and specific stories, which was really interesting. And the teachers here were great. I was taught in ways that I've never been taught before. Things were explained in new ways, which really helped me in my learning process. And I really like the city of Yerevan. There's a lot of great stuff here. It's a very safe, welcoming city. There's a lot to do, a lot to see in the city and outside of the city. There's cats everywhere, which is wonderful. The people I met here have been great. Everyone comes from different places, which is really nice. And about each weekend we had an excursion, which is really amazing. It allowed us to go outside of the city somewhere far without having to do any of the organizing, which was great. And we were able to see some really cool things and get learn some really cool information while on those trips. And that's something that I don't think any other program would give you. And overall, I had a great time here.